Good boy, Chewy. So the weather's kind of funky today. When we left my house, it was like thundering, like rolling thunder, but the skies were a bit mixed. Like there were some parts that were kind of like, a storm's coming, and then some parts were kind of bluish, and then some parts were just fluffy clouds that weren't threatening. So it's kind of odd. And right now it's like just blue skies for the most part. So, oh, Edmonton is so unpredictable. Yeah, so Chewy, it's just Chewy today. And we are at Buena Vista. I was actually going to go to Deer Mound today for a change of pace, but then one of the park patrons, I remembered I was going to meet somebody here and give them an extra ball that I had. So good thing they texted me to remind me. Hey, Chewy. Otherwise, we would have been so far away, like in another county. Yeah, so it's just Chewy this week for today and tomorrow. And trust me, I am totally enjoying the slow pace. I really have to, because I have to psych myself up for the summer season. Summer's pretty busy, and it's like lots of dogs most days. I'm not even sure if I get days off in the summer. So it's just like, anywhere from 3 to 5 dogs. Usually it's 4 to 5 dogs, and then every now and then I have days where I'm over, so because of their overlapping schedule. So I am enjoying my rest. Oh, that's so funny. There's a little squirrel there, just chilling in a low-lying, like, see how close he is to the ground? And Chewy's like, dude, what are you doing? I can just eat you. And he's like, okay, I'm just gonna crawl to the ground now. That's too funny. Oh, somebody's playing chicken. Anyways, did not catch him, Chewy. Chewy's like, nope, he's a goner. Good boy, buddy. Good boy, Chewy. Yeah, so it feels like it's actually kind of muggy, which is kind of odd. I guess it's not unusual with like the rain and the storm and stormy weather. So we will make our way definitely to the water just to give Chewy a drink. Something is really interesting there, apparently. Good boy, Chewy.